In this lesson, you will learn how to organize your Google Docs within folders in Google Drive. First, we will start in Google Drive. Once you have your app opened, let's create a new folder. To do this, select the New button and then select Folder. Now type in your folder name and select Create. For this example, I'll choose Sample Folder. Now you have your folder. To add files to your folder, you can do so from the Google Doc itself, or you can drag and drop files into the folder. Let's start with the Google Doc. Open the sample document that you created, and from the menu, select File and Move To. Here we're going to find our folder, and we'll click Move Here. Now your document is saved to your folder that you created. Let's see how we can drag and drop files into our folder from Google Drive. Go back to your Google Drive app, then locate your folder and double-click to open it. You can see it says Drop Files here. So now we'll open our computer's files, and we can just drag and drop the files one at a time into the folder. You'll notice that when you start to drag, it will say Copy as well. Now you've learned how to organize your files and documents into a Google Drive folder. Next lesson, we will explore how to share your folders and your documents with others.